Oh, hi there, welcome back to the van. That definitely didn't sound that creepy in my brain. So I just got back from a trip to Paris. Oh mate, this tea, it tastes like rainwater. So I figured the only rational thing to do while I was in Paris was to shoot a video on one of these 90s styly bad boy camcorders to try and capture that feeling of nostalgia and warm fuzziness that we all get when they shoot Bambi's mum. A beautiful morning. I didn't even lose a bit, like it was a thrashing. Oh mate, this tea, it tastes like rainwater. There's a few people about though. Fortunately, we're British, so we bloody love a queue.
Everyone is doomed in Phantom Manor.
A 65-minute queue just means an hour of me doing this. Are we there yet? 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 Are we there?